Alright, this is the Grand Suite, room 7298 on the Carnival Sunrise. Comes with its own butler, or invisible self-opening door with an arm. So right off the bat, we're going to turn back around, look at some closets here. So decent amount of storage. You got a bunch of hangers. You always hear complaints about no hangers. That little door flips up if you want, and you got a little hanger there. And then you got your extra linens and life jackets on the bottom. Then of course we have the switch. You have to have your card in there. That is not ours. Somebody left it and they used it. But that's how you keep the lights and the AC on. Well, the lights for sure. Here is all your emergency information. And of course, if you don't want anybody in there, your snoozing sign. I got a big old full-length mirror here. It goes top to bottom. See my sexy legs. And then to the right when you walk in, you got a little bit of storage down here. Couple shelves and a little stool so you have a workstation, because this is where all the power is. Well, not all, but we'll come across that. There's a drink of the day, and then we have a little bit more storage down here and your pull-out bench.
Show what kind of outlets they have.
Oh yeah, sorry. We have one European and two domestic outlets here, and then you got two USBs to the side, and we think that's Wi-Fi, so we're hoping there's Wi-Fi that's good on this boat, because it was not on the Magic. And then we have another storage station here, some artwork. You see Liz pointing in the background. She's kind of like the airport lady on the plane, and there's exits to your right and to your left. So we got 4 drawers here, actually good sized drawers, and they are soft close, which is really cool. Then we have a little storage down here, and this is your mini cooler, as Liz likes to call it, because she's right. So you keep a little bit of stuff in there, but it keeps it cool, not cold. And your little, will eventually get us our ice, because we just got on there. And then on this side, we have more drawers, so they look like they're big drawers. They're slow closed at least. Surprise! They're little guys. So it is a little bit more storage there. And then here we have the little sitting area. So you got a table, the bed that, the couch that folds out to a bed, 2 lamps up there, and then over here you got a little bit of storage and one of those little cabinet thingies. And now we're gonna whip around to the cool TV. So I'll have Liz demonstrate this so I can, come on Vanna.
If you're sitting over here, you want your TV this way. But if you're lying in bed,
what?
you've got your TV that way.
Pretty cool. Yeah, so you just got to make sure you lock it in, because if it'll lock in, otherwise it just kind of floats around. So you'll feel when it clicks in. And then obviously here is the king size bed, which does convert to 2 twins if you so wish. On both sides of the bed, they have the updated lamps with the USBs and a little bit of storage. And this duplicates itself on the other side of the bed, or Liz's side as I call it. And more artwork, more wifey. And then down here, we have a bonus little surprise we found. There's an outlet in here. So you got a little bonus US outlet and more storage on that. These are not soft close, so they are a bit loud. Now we're gonna go into the, I don't know what to call it, room. But you got some more storage down there. The lights are automatic, as you saw them just kick on there. And then you do...
Show them the
Huh? Yeah, so
hair dryer.
Hair dryer up top. And I'll just show you. I don't need that. Another drawer below, and then a little storage bin underneath that. And that looks like the aforementioned and very controversial nightlight. We'll see how that works. More to come. Then another mirror here, and we have all the outlets. We have another European, 2 more Americans, and 2 more USBs. So you got a nice storage area here.
Then this is the closet here. You got some shelving, and then you've got
A lot more hangers.
hangers. Your safe is here. There's some storage down there and more hangy closets up there.
This is also where your thermostat is. So there she blows. So you can see where the little 4 dots on the bottom are. If you hit this guy and the dots get lower, it gets warmer. So the more dots, the colder. We just kind of figured that out because we walked in, the room was pretty warm.
And then if you hit the
oh yeah, you got the turbo. So if you hit that when you're coming back from, port, you'll see it blinking. Kind of kicks it up a notch. There's no emeralds on this boat, but bam! Now we're going to the bathroom, which is actually a pretty decent sized bathroom, I will say. It does only have 1 sink, but you got all your extra goodies down there, so a little more storage. You got shelves on each side. You do have a shaving port up there. That is for shavers only. It will only charge those due to the voltage, wattage, whatever. You got the toilet, no bidet here. They got us stocked up with towels, which is great. Then you got the bathtub, which is just your traditional bathtub. It does have a cute little pillow on it, so you can rest your head, and if you like soaking in a nice hot tub, there it is. And of course, it has the shower. And now we are gonna go ahead to one of my favorite parts of the entire boat, the balcony. This is the balcony. Yeah, don't smoke out here. If they catch you 500 and they can ban you. So this is a longer balcony. So you can see right to the right, you got 2 chairs and a table. But wait, there's more. Oh, there's Miami Beach. You go just turn around, you got another chair and a full-size lounger. So it's actually a quite nice sized balcony. You go one end to the other. Yeah, nice. Not the deepest, but of course you get that view. So that's why you get these, personally. So that was room 7298, the Grand Suite on the Carnival Sunrise. Thanks for watching. Please take care.